Okay, folks, hey, we find ourselves out here at Baird Brothers in our grinding room. This is where all of the tolling is maintained, created, and this is an important link in our chain of manufacturing, a high quality hardwood product. You know, our moldings, they stand on their own, the quality of the molding, and that has a lot to do with this room. I'm joined today with Roger. Roger pretty much oversees the grinding room. Raj, what do you guys do back here all day?
Well, more or less we get a list of what's running out in the shop, and we'll have to pull the profiles, templates, and set them up inside of a head so that our molders can run them out there.
Okay, and you made that sound pretty simple.
Well, it's pretty routine. It's over and over, but you got to set them up, and then we have to grind them because they have to match. Both knives in the head have to match the same so we get a good quality result. We'll have to grind them on the grinders here to give them a smooth cut so that our finished product has no lines or knife marks. In order to keep the good knife marks, we have to have a balance head, so everything's got to be tight tolerance.
Okay, so there's a science to it.
Yes, it's a process. it's a science.
Okay, so you just hit on it. You guys are doing your thing here, so when it goes out to the molder hut, put on the molder, then we're going to produce that, whether it be the moldings in our different species. I've lost track how many profiles we have. I mean, it's into thousands.
I have no idea. Yes,
right?
It's more and more every week.
And that's the beauty. Somebody comes in with a specific design,
right,
we can create it.
Absolutely.
What's that process?
Well, our drawing upstairs, we'll draw it, and then, like now we've got the CNC, so we get a drawing, we cut the knife steel to size, and then we make it. We have to follow along the profile, make it, set it up in a head, and set it out, end product.
There you go, folks. That's the diversity that we have here. You dream it up, and if it's out of hardwood lumber, bring it into Baird Brothers and we'll manufacture it for you. Roger, thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.